Eat the Gum Gum fruit, but you lose the ability to swim. Get to do it with Robin, but you have to share her with the first person who comes up when you click on Share Then More. Be a ninja in Naruto, but you are in Konoha when Pain appears. Get Gojo's abilities, but you can't use them against the first person who pops up after following. You can choose every devil fruit you want, but you have to comment the current user of the fruit. You get the Death Note, but every time you write a person's name in, a random person will also die.